of this assembly, to pass my life in purity, and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession. I will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, will I endeavor to aid the physicians in their work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. God bless you all.